Hi, welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. I'm tired. I've been packing like half a day since so this would be my last. So let's pack my bag. How I pack it when I travel. If you're interested, stay tuned and let's get started. Hi. I've been packing the whole afternoon. Anyways, now I'm tired, but this is my last stretch and we'll get through this together. Okay, I think packing your clothes, packing your toiletries is the easiest thing. For me, what is harder is packing my bag, because this is the bag that you strap around you. You need everything to be inside, and you don't want to be in the airport or wherever you're going. Especially when you're traveling, it's not a good idea to take everything out from your bag, because hey, it's not safe. Okay, so now this bag, inside the bag, is a lifesaver, right? Because I would usually just pack it here first, and then I'll just put everything inside the bag, and then but when traveling, I pack differently, I guess, because I need to bring a lot of things that I don't usually bring along on an ordinary day basis. So let's start off with this. Okay, this bag has several compartments, so which is good. So for traveling, I have to make sure that I have this. Why do I have two mosquito repellent in my bag? Okay, I'll just bring one. I don't know why, but I have two. Okay, a must is a hand lotion, a lighter, and essential oils. So essential oils, if you want me to talk about it, it's useful, especially when you're traveling, if you have motion sickness. Have you tried essential oils? Do you like essential oils? Do you know how to use essential oils? Let me know. I always have an essential oil inside my bag with the jack of all trades, as they call it, lavender. So I have it in roll on. I also have a lot of essential oils at home. So I do have a set, and I do use the humidifier to like that. So that's in one side. So I have all this, and where is it? Last but not least, hand sanitizer. So everything would be in one side, and I know it. Let's go to the other side. Okay. Can you still see Jollibee? Okay, so because we're vlogging, we're taking photos, and it's only me and my husband, but this doesn't leave my bag. I carry this every day. The funniest thing, people would actually laugh at you for having this, but when you have it, when you need it, it's a lifesaver. So it's a selfie stick. It's under the Honor brand, which I like because it has the remote, and then it can actually also be a tripod if you wanted to. So can you see it? Yeah. So when I'm vlogging, I've been using this for the longest time. I think this is the best $20 or $30 I've ever spent, because when I do travel and I want to vlog or record videos, this comes in handy. I've used this several times. Also, at the same side, which is what I call my techie things. Oops. I also have do you call this an adapter with all the USB thing, because you would never know when you're going to use it. I would also have a small tripod here, which which is I'm using it right now because I just put my phone on top of my dresser. So yeah, so it would actually go here. And then let's go to the inner piece, the inner slot. I have one pouch wherein I have my power bank, which I have to remember to charge. Next is I have a foldable bag, which is inside, because again, you will never know when you need that bag. My makeup kit, which for traveling I'll just take the basics, which is powder. This is the Face Shop Coca-Cola powder, the Innisfree lip Sunkissed lip balm. Okay, this is good because you can use it for your cheeks, you can use it for your lips, so it's fine. And I love this, the Pow Pow lip balm, because when you travel, I don't usually wear lipsticks, but I would use lip glosses. And this, oh my goodness, this is the Beca Lip Gloss, because when you're traveling, you don't want to use like those type of lipsticks, but this is so pretty. Can you actually see that, Victoria? Yes. It's pretty, so you can actually use it even if you're swimming, traveling. I also have another lipstick. That's why I love minis. Can you see how small this is and how small mine? And I can put a lot of things inside. So I like this pouch because you can actually make it stand like this. I have to rub this off. It's nice. It's a nice touch in case you're going out for lunch or dinner in a fancy restaurant. So this is the wristlet that I actually sold. I think I have a video. Yes, I have a video that I vlogged about this. So this is pink, so it's like it's easier to, when you open your bag, it's easier for you to see it. So inside, yes, I do have like compartments. So when I'm traveling, I do bring a smaller wallet. And when we go for tours and all this, the only thing that I bring, I'll transfer all the money that we needed actually here. And one thing good is there's a compartment wherein you can put your card if you need to. Inside this wallet, I also have this. It's a must when you travel, just in case you want to change SIM cards. It doesn't leave my other wallet. Where's my other wallet? My normal wallet doesn't leave. Inside my wallet, I also have a rosary and the Mother Perpetual Help. When I use other wallets, I take it from my other wallet and I just, Mother Perpetual Help. Yeah. And then cards, money. Yeah. So I would just usually just bring one card because you don't need it. You don't need so much cards. And my IC, of course. So this bag, this. My passport is already inside. Let's check. You wanna see my passport photo? Oh my goodness, is this the correct one? Yes, expire in 2020. Can you see? That's me. That's me. Okay. And then on the other side, I have again another Nuvina devotion to our Mother Perpetual Help. It's always inside my bag. So let's go through all the small things. Oh, let's put my earpiece, headphones from Minnesota on that side. I have wet wipes because again, you will never know. I have a story about like how wet wipes saved the day. Not for me, but for another passenger in a bus. Okay, on the other side, I would have my home keys, my card, like name cards. So I would put my things here and my name cards that I usually give to people, which I'll be changing soon. Yeah. So because yeah, have you read Kevin's Hart account, like his book? That's for another day. So yes, then I will put like spare, like money, not spare, it's like safety money if you need it. So I also have post-its in case I need to write some notes. And then, why do I have a marker? I don't need a marker. So I have a pen, and then I have this Miniso like comb, which I don't think I've used. That's my pen. And then scrunchies. Do you call scrunchies? Okay, then we can just put it over here because you need them. And then last but not the least, this is the most tiring part. Not tiring part, this is the most tedious part is my medicine. These are my medicines. My medicines. For 46 years old, yeah, that's where my money goes. So let's I have to pack it in a Ziploc bag. And whenever I travel, I make it a point to tell the person that I'm traveling with what are my medications. So just in case, yeah, at least they know what to do. Yes, because it's no joke. Okay, so I have this small. This is always inside my bag, whether I'm traveling or not traveling. So I don't need to keep on moving it in and out, like unlike some of the medications here. So I bought this, I think from Daiso. They do have different compartments, right? Because for me, I already know my medication, so I don't actually need to how do you call it? Label them, but I think I should label them. Okay, I would label them. I would put like labels that for this is for my allergies. If I do have an allergy attack, Anorex, which is your basic pain reliever, my happy pill, just in case. And then I still have other threes. Usually I would put, but I do refill it. But since I'm traveling, I don't need to refill this because I'm bringing another set of medication. So the one that's usually here, I transferred it there for the meantime. And then I also have this. It's actually my day and night medication. This is my day and my night medication. I do have, like, in the morning I have to take 3. One for my diabetes, one for my happiness, and one for my supplements. So morning, this I usually take after breakfast. And then at night I have to take several, which is quite. One is for my diabetes, one is for my hypertension, 2 is for my hypertension, 1 is to make me sleep, and 1 is for my cholesterol, I guess. So this every time that I need to take, so there's 4 medications at night. And I also need to bring my motion sickness. So when I travel, because since it's already like labeled, so I would not remove it, even though I'm quite familiar. But in case something happens, they know that, oh, this is the medication that they're taking. So I have 1 for my motion sickness, and I also bring extras of all my medications. Okay, I love using these types because then it will help me remember whether I've taken my medication or not. Because there has been a time when I actually forgot whether have I taken my medication or I haven't taken my medication, and then I started, okay, if I remember then I'll take, or yeah, but then I'm not so sure whether, okay. So but having this pill organizer actually saves me from overdosing myself, I guess. So I would bring extra, like my diabetes medication. This is important. My my hypertension medication. This is also for my diabetes. My happy pills, in case I have attacks and 1 pill is not enough. Yeah, so at will not take it from here because I have to take this every day. Although I have something also to help me, yeah. But anyways, this is my it's like Panadol for pain reliever and all, and paracetamol, and also another paracetamol for fever and whatnot. So I'll pack everything inside the. Suddenly I felt so sad just because packing all this medication makes like it sucks. It does, people. So when you're young and all, please take care of your health because it does come back and bite you. So yeah, so I will just put it here and I'll put it inside my bag. My husband knows my medication, so I don't need to take anything. He knows. So, which is good. If you have you're a person who takes a lot of medication, you have to at least inform the person who's traveling with you how your medication works, so that in case you have, they would know how to help you. So, this is it. Now I just need to put it inside the bag. And then inside. Just put it inside. Oops. Oh, there's one thing. This has always been inside my bag. I think this is more than 10 years. I think I bought this in the Philippines when my mom passed on, I think. Yeah, but it never left my bag. So I have a fan inside my bag. And yeah, whenever I change bags, this would also go to that bag. And that's it. That finished. Finally. So now I just need to wait for a hubby to come home and to continue packing his things, and because I need to transfer some of my things to his bag. So but I'm almost done. So I'm so sorry. So if you like this type of video, please give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessed to everyone.